Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to sell digital journals on Amazon. First, you'll need to set up an Amazon KDP account, which is completely free. This platform is your gateway to reaching millions of potential customers. Ensure all your tax information is accurately entered to avoid any payment delays. Next, dive into market research to discover what types of journals are currently trending and what unique angles you can offer. This foundational step is crucial for your success. Now, let's talk about creating your actual digital journal. You can use various design tools, from user-friendly options like Canva to professional software such as Adobe InDesign. The key is to export your final product as a high-quality PDF file, which is universally compatible. Consider adding interactive elements, like clickable links, to improve user engagement. A visually appealing cover, perhaps with a clear title and vibrant colors, is also essential to attract buyers. Once your journal is ready, it's time to publish it on Amazon KDP. From your dashboard, select the option to create a new title. You'll then upload your meticulously crafted PDF journal file and your eye-catching cover image. Craft a compelling product description that clearly articulates the unique value and benefits your journal offers. Don't forget to strategically select relevant keywords and categories. These are vital for helping customers find your product among the millions available. Finally, let's discuss marketing and optimizing your sales. Leverage Amazon's advertising options, such as sponsored product ads, to increase visibility. Actively encourage your satisfied customers to leave reviews, as positive feedback significantly influences purchasing decisions. Regularly monitor your sales performance and be prepared to adjust your pricing or refine your keywords based on what the data tells you. Building a series of journals can also help cultivate a dedicated following and generate repeat business.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.